There's some quick charts you can make that are called Sparklines, and lots of times it's a really easy way to look at data quickly. So in order to make one, just like normal, I have to select my data. So I'm going to select these 3 sets of test scores. And then I'm going to go to my Insert menu, and I'm going to pick Sparklines. I'll start with a line chart. So when I click on it, it's going to say, here's the data you're looking at. Where do you want me to put the Sparklines? I could have put it over here somewhere, but I just made an extra column to show you. So I'm going to select where I want the Sparklines to go and say OK. And what I get are lines that show me the student's progress over the three tests. So I have several different choices. I've got Sparklines, and I can change the colors and all that type of stuff too. Or I can make a column chart if I want, so that shows me in that direction. The win and the loss chart looks kind of strange to me, and I'm not really sure what you would use that for. So we're going to go back over here to Sparklines for a few minutes. You have some other choices where you can show the high point in each score, or the low point in each score, or the negative point. So there are lots of ways that you can use it. It's a really handy little chart to have. So I hope you will give that a try.